Hey, what's up, John? It's Devin. Thanks for speaking with me on the phone earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to quickly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix super easily to start bringing in a bunch more customers. So you're probably wondering why I make this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are too busy running their business, and they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't really know who is an expert and who is. So what I started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, and some people use this information to implement it on their own. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to help and educate as many business owners as I can. And today I want to tell you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And the reason is because this is what the Google algorithm pays attention to as far as ranking websites. So now what Google really cares most about is all the content you have on your website. So content counts as words like this and images. So with content, it's really the more the merrier. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So that's where you want to be sitting. I'm looking at your site. You don't fall into that range, so I highly recommend you get into that range. And at this point, what I normally do is compare your websites with the top competitor in your city and kind of show you what they're doing and the reason why they're ranking higher. But after doing some research, there's not too much search volume in the Torrance area. So what I did was I searched up the keyword flooring installation LA, and I pulled up the top competitor, which was flooringpro.com, just to just kind of give you an idea for if you were to want to expand and to start ranking in multiple locations. So I'm going to compare your website with theirs. And by looking at their site, they also do not fall into that range of content. So if you were to get into that 1,500 to 2,000 word range of content, it would definitely help you rank, get in that number one spot organically. And what's also really good about having enough content on your site is that it leaves room to add the most important part, which is keywords. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So for example, flooring installation LA was an example of a keyword. So one way you can include this into your content is by saying, we offer the flooring installations LA residents love. And one other quick tip for you is to save your images as keywords. So for example, right here, if I were to go to say, I'm not able to save this image, but so let me try it over here. So if I were to go over to their site and try to save one of their images, we'll see if they have them saved as keywords as well. Save image as. So right here, what they could have done was save this image as flooring installation LA rather than flooring pro gallery. So my next tip for you is called backlinks. So backlinks are anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text, or anywhere another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to it. So this is crucial because Google is like a popularity contest, and they want to see trustworthy websites vouching for your website. They want to see relevant links, not just any old website linking to you, which means that you will get more power with other flooring companies linking to you versus having a company like Starbucks linking to you, because Google knows you do not sell lattes. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. I just use it because it makes my life a lot easier. So here, Ahrefs says you have 69 referring domains and 1,000 backlinks, which is great. And if we go over to their website, they have 247 referring domains and 20,000 backlinks, which is a lot of backlinks, which explains why they're getting so much traffic. But the thing with backlinks is not all of them are created equal. So a lot of these backlinks could have zero power. So a couple of them could be carrying a lot more of the power. So let's go check it out real quick. So see how this one backlink alone has 18,274 websites linking to it, where some of these down here only have 3. So even just getting this one will help tremendously over getting all of the same ones. So what I would do if I were you is I'd go into their backlinks. If you were going to go try to rank in the for LA is I'd go into all these links and I'd just link them back to my website, because if they're good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So just doing these two tips, beating them in content and backlinks, that is how you take the #1 spot organically. And the last thing I'm going to tell you about today is how to show up right up here in the map pack. So right down here in the map pack. So to show up here in the map pack, you need to have more citations than your competitors. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile in directories. So directories are places like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and others you may have heard of where you can list your business information. So these are extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. The idea is that these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. And once you're seen by Google more than your competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. So what I would do is figure out what directories your top competitors are in, put myself in the same ones, and add a bunch more on top of that. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we could talk more about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Even if you're not interested, if you wouldn't mind just leaving me a quick line of feedback in response to the email, just to let me know that this is something that might add value to businesses. And if you are interested, please feel free to give me a call at 805-750-7008 or reach out by the email. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this video helped. Have a great day.